아니.
Have you ever seen a flower this angry and hyperactive? In case you're caught in the act, the best move is to play statue. Even a vacuum can't suck up the mischief of this tabby cat. Want to be the fanciest cat in the neighborhood? Sit still and get made up. When you're a celebrity and accidentally go out without your bodyguard.
I guess you don't have to drive after all.
The driver is really annoyed. Hurry up, you two.
Bark at your dog.
Owning a dog might chew up your flip-flop, but with a cat, you might lose it all. Be cautious when you have a cat trained as an assassin. Always the cat's favorite toy, the fishing rod. It seems she was really knocked out today and still can't believe it. Afraid of the dark? Don't worry, this caring dog will bring light to your darkness.
Hey, what are you doing?
She must be exhausted when taking care of both a dog and a rabbit the same size. I wonder what he's dreaming about, but it's probably a bizarre mix of chaos and catnip. When you have an electrokinesis cat, no need to buy toys for cats, just have some dangly hanging items instead. Aha! This place is already occupied, bro, so just get away. It's hard for anyone to resist the cuteness of a litter of puppies, even a Finkley cat.
Here.
When her alert mode is glitchy, huh? How amazing, with a few treats of pate, can instantly summon a cat for a professional massage. She really got tired of these two friends and decided to resolve the conflict. When the favourite toy goes missing, the best way is to wait until everyone's asleep and stealthily reclaim it. Tip to activate a dog to become lively: the garden hose.
It's okay. What is he gonna do to you? Come on. Come on. Come on.
Nope.
He's not.
It seems even the homeowner finds it hard to protect this dog from a stubborn cat.
Hey!
Oh, this girl is itching so much and could turn into a spinning top right now.
So I wondered why Frappuccino didn't eat all of her breakfast. 'Cause that's weird.
Ka-cha! Come on! Indoor hunting practice has begun.
Okay.
There's no way to escape when discovered to be the culprit. Now all you need to do is stay silent. The calmest person is still the least tired. Thought that would help, but end up being more bothered and disrupted by these guys.